stop scrubbing. Your carpets are about to get a whole lot cleaner with the Shark StainStriker. This is the ultimate portable weapon against those stubborn stains, pet odors, and accidental spills that ruin your rugs. First, you get 2 specialized tools that dig deep into upholstery fibers to lift grime instantly. Second, it features a powerful OXY solution that doesn't just mask odors. It eliminates them for good. Finally, the self-cleaning cycle is a total lifesaver, rinsing the hose and nozzle automatically so you aren't dealing with gross buildup. Whether it is a coffee spill or mud tracked in by the kids, the Shark StainStriker makes your area rugs look brand new in seconds. It is compact, incredibly powerful, and charcoal sleek. Don't let stains settle into your home for another minute. You need this deep cleaning power right now. Grab yours at the link in the description below before the price changes or stock runs out. Go, go, go.